Yo, who's this?
Chill. Just your conscious, bro.
My conscious got a phone number now?
I live rent-free in your head anyway. Might as well text.
Okay, creepy, what do you even want?
Nothing. Just saw you stressing over that girl again.
What girl?
You know, the one you snap with.
Bro, how do you even know all this? And I ain't even stressing, it's just complicated.
Nah, you def like her. The way you text her 24/7 and smile at your phone like it's revelation.
Okay, wow, chill. We just talk, that's all. It's harmless.
Exactly, just talking. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Yeah.
Everyone your age flirts. It's not that deep, bruh.
Yeah, but I don't know. Sometimes I feel guilty after. Like, I'm not supposed to.
Guilty for what? Talking to someone you like? Relax, you're not married.
It feels off, though. Like, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I still do.
You're just overthinking. You're not touching her. It's just words. We're in 2025, not 1862.
Yeah.
Just chill. Talk to her. Laugh. Live a little. Faith's not supposed to be a prison, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I'm still a good person. I help my mom, I pray. I don't do crazy things like some other people I know.
Yeah, you're fine. Good Muslims can have fun too.
Yeah, I guess. Yo, you up?
Always. What's up, Romeo?
Stop. I don't know, it's just, I really like her.
Here we go. What happened now?
She said she misses me and I felt that. Like for real. But like something telling me I shouldn't be doing this, but I can't stop thinking about her.
Bro, she literally just said she misses you. What's wrong with that? Isn't this what you want to hear?
True, I guess. But I don't know, man. I used to be on my Salah game heavy. Now I just keep thinking about her all day, every day, and feel so lazy. I feel like something is wrong. I'm not focusing like I used to.
Happens to everyone. You're just busy. You're in love.
No way. It's not love, man. I don't think it is. I know myself. I keep thinking like, I'll pray after I text her. And then I forget.
So text her after you pray then.
That's the thing. I keep saying that. But then she texts me first, and I get distracted.
Well, I'm sure Allah will understand. You don't want her to feel like you're making her wait. She could think you're playing hard to get with her. Girls hate that and lose interest.
For real?
You feel happy right now, don't you? You don't want to lose that.
Happiness shouldn't pull me away from Allah, though. Bro, I don't know. Lately, I don't even chill with my friends anymore. I'm always thinking about her. I'm just on my phone waiting for her to text 24/7. I'm not studying, not praying as much. I feel tired from texting her all night.
You're just growing, bro. Falling in love changes people.
I don't know. I don't feel like I'm changing for the better, though.
You're overthinking again. This is what it feels like when someone means something to you. It's normal to want to be around her all the time.
Okay. You're right.
Of course I am. Sup? How you doing, lover boy?
Too early for this. Nothing much, getting ready for school. I wanted to see her after school today, but I gotta go to the mosque with Dad. He has some charity event going on. My dude, I probably can't see her till next week.
For real? Nah, bruh, that's way too long. She gonna ghost you later. Gotta see her, so she remembers you all weekend.
Yeah, but I can't.
Ditch class.
Are you tripping? I can't ditch.
Real quick, ask her if she down. Take her to that carnival. It's probably empty. No lines. She's gonna have a lit time.
For real? I don't know, man.
Hurry, bruh. She gonna head to school soon.
Wait. She said she's down.
Nice. Now go. You two behave now.
Yo, just came home.
I had a good day, fam.
Oh my God. It was lit for real, for real. We had a great time.
Sweet.
Yeah, I feel so trash right now. I just straight up capped to Dad about my day, bruh.
You're good. Don't let that bother you. Now spill the tea about your day. Bro, you good?
Yeah, sup?
Nothing much. What you up to?
Nothing much. Home watching TV.
You talked to Princess today?
Yeah, but just in the morning. We didn't chat much today.
Why don't you meet up with her?
I just saw her yesterday, remember? She's probably gonna think I'm desperate or something.
Nah, it's a beautiful day. Take her for a quick drive. Maybe to the nice scenic place up the mountains.
For real? You think I should?
Hell yeah. Trust me, she wants to see you too, no cap, bro.
I'd bet. Let me shoot her a text. She said, okay.
You two lovebirds enjoy.
Let me get ready. Yo,
Yo,
we went too far.
I thought you were just taking her by the mountains. That's not even that far for real.
Nah, I meant, we did things.
Oh my. Well, now you know she's into you.
It just happened. I feel like trash. I want to fix it, man. I want to make it right.
Relax. It's okay. Everyone slips. Don't overthink. Just keep it low-key.
I need to go pray right now. I feel so frickin' dirty right now.
But your prayer isn't even valid and won't be accepted if you fornicated.
For real? I thought that was for something else.
Just go wash up. Bet it was special, though.
It was. Oh my God. She just told me she is pregnant.
Well, this escalated quickly.
Yo, I don't even know what to do. My parents, dad's the imam, mom's respected in the community. This is gonna ruin them. I can't believe this crap. Why?
Look, there's a way to fix this quietly. Convince her. Make it go away.
Make what go away? How am I supposed to make this go away?
You know, make her handle it so it doesn't grow into a full-blown disaster.
Huh? Oh, are you nuts? It's a baby.
Think about your parents, their reputation. They find out. Total chaos. Total ruin. You're smart. You know what you need to do. Convince her. She might want the same thing.
I don't know. I'll talk to her. So I drove over to her place. We got into a fight. She wants to keep it. I tried to make her understand my situation, but she didn't want to understand. I grabbed her, but I didn't mean to hurt her. I was just trying to make her listen to me. She said she's calling the cops on me. I left and I came home. This can't be happening right now. You there? Oh shoot, I think that's the cops. She really called the cops on me. What the hell do I do though? Hey.
Sup?
I texted you last night, never heard from you. The cops came, they arrested me.
Oh. You don't say.
I was locked up all night. Dad bailed me out this morning. I was treated like a criminal. My fam's shocked and hurt right now. I told them the truth today. They're gonna take my phone and laptop away. You know, every time I talked to you, it got worse. You made me do things I wasn't even planning on doing.
Oh? Is that so?
But every time I listened to you, I felt worse and worse. You told me it was just flirting at first, but now I'm having a baby with this girl, and I don't even know her still. I don't even know if I like her anymore. Hello?
Yes.
What happened? You got nothing to say right now?
You enjoyed all of this.
Bruh, nah, get the out. I didn't enjoy it. You made me do everything.
No, I didn't. You did everything on your own. I just guided you to it. You had a choice. You chose the path I laid out for you.
What? What the hell are you talking about?
You had a choice to follow your principles or to obey me. You chose me.
Who are you?
I am the one close to you. Every evil thought you have, every bad thing you say, every lie you tell, every heart you break, I am the one cheering you on. I am the one who promised your creator I will misguide his creation.
Subhanallah. Astaghfirullah.
Now, you remember him? Funny, you couldn't repent all those nights you were busy thinking of her.
Yo, chill. Don't say that.
You beg for forgiveness now, but where was that guilt when I whispered to you the first time? You were too busy enjoying what I gave you.
Nah, I tried to pray, but you kept distracting me.
You chose to be distracted when your heart told you to return.
You told me my Salah wouldn't count. You said I was dirty.
And you believed me. You, a Muslim, didn't even know your own Lord's mercy. One lie, that's all it took. Had you known him, I would have failed, but you didn't, so I succeeded.
You played me. You wanted me to mess up bad.
I only invited you. You walked willingly. I showed you the door, and you opened it yourself. You called her. You touched her. You lied to your parents. You hurt her. And the baby, the one you almost destroyed, that was all you, not me.
Stop. Just stop.
You'll live with it forever. When that child grows, you'll see its face, and remember the night you wished it. And when it calls you father, you'll remember Allah's wrath in its voice.
You're sick. You're trying to mess with my head again. You won't break me.
You're already broken. I'm only reminding you who did the breaking. You.
Allah's merciful. He can forgive me.
The boy who traded dhikr for desire. The one who hurt a woman carrying his child. The one who almost took that child's life away. Allah will be ashamed to see your face on Judgment Day. Every body part that touched that woman will burn in hellfire.
You're going to hell before me, and you will burn for eternity. At least I have a chance to get out.
Careful there.
What happened? Scared? You should be. You're nothing but a liar, and nothing you say means anything. Allah promised to forgive us as long as we repent, no matter how huge the sin was. And you have no hope.
That spark of hope you feel, that's dangerous for me. You start believing again, and I lose you. You are abandoning me, just like that. You know, I really thought of you as my friend. I was only teaching you to be strong. I know you are. You are much stronger than I am. If only I could repent to God. But He cast me away. When you repent to Allah, can you ask Him to forgive me too?
Wow. You almost had me there. You're a master manipulator. Just when you almost lost me. You try to make me pray for you? You, Iblis? You're wretched in Allah's eyes. You're hated by Him. I ain't ever praying for you. I'ma head out. I'm done talking to you.
No one is ever done with me. You may silence my words, but you'll hear my echo in your thoughts again. You'll see me in the eyes of every sin that tempts you. I will wait, because I always return.
I'm blocking you.
Block me, but remember, I was the shoulder you leaned on when you were furthest from Him. We'll meet again.